Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 4-hour. Instead of each one of these candlesticks here, as they're called, representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So while this here may look like a couple months worth of time, it's actually just the past couple of weeks broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to do this time frame. Does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Friendly reminder, Bitcoin is open 24/7. So if you're watching this video 15, 20 hours after I upload it, then yeah, the chart's going to look a little bit different for you. But my goal here from the presentation standpoint is to keep this video relevant for as long as possible. And I'm going to accomplish that by talking about more so general levels, and then walking you through some questions, and based on how you answer those questions, that'll dictate the current status of the chart. So as of right now, a pullback is underway. So the last time I did the video, things were looking very bullish, and things are still looking very bullish, so don't get me wrong. But in the very, very near term, so within the past several hours, yeah, things are pulling back here, but you got to look at more than just the past several hours. When you take a step back and look at the past couple of weeks, you can see that the overall uptrend is still fully intact. I mean, if you just look at where all these lows are, and that is why I'm getting a little too far ahead of myself. So let's just first talk about 7,700, and that's going to be the first question to ask yourself. So let's say you're watching this video 20 hours from now after I upload it. Question number one becomes, okay, well, where's the price at relative to 7,700? As long as you're answering the question that the price is still up above that level, then everything's still perfectly fine. What do I mean by that? Well, I'm not saying this will be the case, but let's say that the price actually does still pull back more, and then when you're watching it 15, 20 hours from now, it's sitting right around there. What would that still be telling you about the overall chart? Well, that would still be telling you that there's a set of lows right here. Then you have this set of lows right here, and then you have these lows down there. And if you envision each of those as stair steps, what do you have? Well, you still have, from the big picture, stair steps very clearly progressing in the upwards direction. So yes, again, right now, there's no doubt about it. There is a pullback currently underway. But looking at more than just the past several hours, the price still has plenty of opportunity to build that overall uptrend by staying above 7,700. Now, if you're answering the question that the price is down below 7,700, the next immediate question you want to ask yourself about is that purple line there. So to assign a value to that, where's the price at relative to 7,450? Now, if somehow you're answering the question that the price is all of a sudden down below 7,450, that would be put in the chart. I'm not going to say it's the chart would be ruined, but that would definitely be starting to change up the landscape of the chart. But as of right now, the price is even close to 7,450. But those would be the next couple areas of support going forward. As far as levels of resistance, it's all about that 8,400 mark up there. You can see that is right where the price got rejected from over the past couple of days. So 8,400 is going to be the main level of resistance. So, and that's straightforward. If you're answering the question that the price is up above 7,700, the next question would be, okay, well, where's the price at relative to 8,400? And if somehow you're answering the question that the price is up above 8,400, well, all that means is that since I've done this video, the price has stabilized out and then made a beast move back to the upside. So I suppose that's possible, but that would be the resistance level to watch going forward. So all in all, yeah, not the most bullish action the past several hours, but as I've shown looking at the past couple of weeks, the trend is still in the bull's favor. So let's see how things continue to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.